For this removal, I used a flat snap-on pry tool and a 7mm ratchet. First thing you want to do, you want to go very slowly all the way around the outer edge, because there's 9 clips holding it in. 4 on this side, 4 on this side, 1 in the middle. So go super slow, like slower than your grandma on the highway slow. And then once this is off, right, see all the clips on the back. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 7 mils that you got to take out. And then you got to take the bottom part off first because it's layered. So that part, and that part. This video has been brought to you by Eddie's Excavation. We knock your stuff down with a smile. In the car with my day ones, then my dogs, yeah, then my